to this channel. I hope you're healthy and safe and you're learning Python using the videos that I'm creating. Guys, I'm putting a lot of time in explaining the videos, the concepts of Python in these videos. And if you want to learn Python properly, I would suggest you to just follow the playlist that I'm creating. Start from first video and just follow along and you will learn Python. That's for sure. What I normally do is I do spend a lot of time on one topic rather than just moving on to different topics. And I try to create small projects in each topic as well. And I know sometimes it does make the videos longer. However, it's the basics that you're learning, and it's very important that they are clear in your mind. So spending like 10-15 minutes extra right now will not hurt later. But if you have to look for something that you should have covered in basics later on, that is gonna take a lot more time. And that's the reason I create a bit longer videos. However, you can always watch the videos in double speed, and that is something I also do when I'm watching my own videos. So yeah, that's just something I wanted to tell you, that this feature is also available on YouTube. You can actually change the speed of the video. So guys, before I waste any more time, I'll tell you what this video is about. In my last tutorial, I explained what for loops are, and the tutorial prior to that was on introduction of loops, and I also explained what is the basic difference between a while loop and a for loop and when they should be used. Now, for loops is a topic which is in every coding language, so it is very important that we spend a bit more time here and understand this concept thoroughly rather than just moving on. And because this is something which you have to use, it's not something you can just skip and not use. Loops is something which you will always use. So I've already explained for loops in my last video. If you have not watched it, please go and watch it. That will give you a clear understanding of what for loops are. In this video, however, I will show you a for loop flowchart. So I will explain for loops using flowcharts, and I will try to keep this video short rather than a long one, because I've already created a big one on for loops anyway. And guys, just before we start, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to the channel, and please like the videos if you're learning from it. Comment on the videos, tell me how's it going, and if you're learning something from these videos, if you want me to make videos on certain topics, or do you want me to cover some concepts, please do let me know. But please keep practicing and you will learn Python, that's for sure. So I'll just go on and I'll explain you what for loop flowchart is. So guys, I've created this small flowchart that you can see on the screen now. It's a very basic program, but it's gonna give you an understanding of how loops work. So start is basically just the start of any code, and then you run a for loop on it. Now, the logic behind this particular for loop that we are looking at right now in this flowchart is run a for loop for numbers 0 to 99, and as long as the number is between 0 and 99, you print hello for loops, and then you just increase number by 1 and repeat this process. So this whole process gets repeated until the number reaches 100. And when the number is greater than 100, this program ends. So guys, this is basically a for loop explained in a flowchart, just to make things way easier, because a lot of people do understand things when they are explained in a picture. So I just thought I'll spend a few more minutes to explain for loops here using flowchart. So guys, as I said, please subscribe to the channel, keep watching this video, the playlist that I've created for these videos, and share these videos, comment on these videos, and like the videos. And I'll be seeing you in future lectures. Thank you.